Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get the blue tick in your Twitter account. So in order to begin, I'll open the Twitter account. Once you are in your Twitter account, you have to make sure that you have logged in. So once that's done, you can click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now you have to click on settings and support. In here, open settings and privacy. Now you can see all these options here, out of which you have to click on Twitter Blue. As you can see, the third option, which is Twitter Blue, you have to click on it. And now you can see this thing. It's saying that the blue subscribers will be verified phone number will get a blue check mark once approved. So you can buy this, and once that's approved, you can get that tick mark on your blue tick mark on your account. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.